My name is Laucha. I'm an Argentinian grill master and my passion is asado. My friends at Gaucho Grill, an iconic Argentinian steakhouse in Southern California, invited me to try all their recipes and to test my grilling skills. Join me in this beautiful, fiery adventure called GauchoTV. Welcome to GauchoTV. Today we're preparing Pollo a las brasas con champiñones, smoked chicken with a side of mushrooms. Here we have our beautiful chicken. In Gaucho Grill, they use chidori chicken. It's a special type of chicken, beautiful. In Argentina, we couldn't get that chicken, but we have an organic chicken. The first step is putting a lot of salt inside, in between the skin and the meat, and outside the skin. We will leave it at the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. It will gain a lot of flavor, and also it will tenderize a bit. Generally, when you cook chicken at the grill, it's really easy to try it. So try this technique, you will see it will be really, really huge.
The Queen of Art, Friday morning. The Queen of Art.
Okay, we have our chicken back again. We removed all the salt with a lot of water. We don't want any salt here. If not, it will get really salty. We will put it on a structure and we will add some hot water to generate some humidity while we cook it. This, you can do it on your home oven with really hot water on another pan. You put the chicken, you can put it also on a grill, anything you want. But the important thing is we want to smoke it. So you can smoke at your oven. Get a good grill, a camado, horno de barro, or a smoker, the best. Let's cook it. We will cook our chicken at 320 degrees for at least 50 minutes. The secret ingredient in this recipe is when you start cooking the chicken, you add some hickory chips so it really smokes up. For our side, we'll prepare a balsamic dressing with some shallots, garlic, really good mustard, a little bit of salt, pepper, some honey, balsamic vinegar. We'll mix it all, and while we're mixing, we'll add some oil so it gets the perfect texture. Okay, we have our dressing ready. We will cook the mushrooms with some garlic, blend oil, mix a little, and now you can take it to the grill or to a pan. We will cook the mushrooms for 5 to 7 minutes, and then we will add the dressing to finish it all. We have the chicken that is ready. We will take it out of our camado and leave it to rest like for 12 minutes, and then we will eat everything with it. Okay, it's time to try this beauty. First, watch this. Oh, chicken is, oh, look at this. I need to try this right now. It's really humid. It has a perfect flavor, smoky. The salt, it's like the perfect salty chicken, you know? I need to go to Gaucho Grill and try this. If here it's good, I can't imagine how it's in Gaucho Grill. Whoa! Ciao. As we say here in Argentina, nada más rico que comer pollo con la mano. Try this.